I already opened one, man. Well, this is one I want to open. Only one of them had a DOWN4SOUND sticker on it, so I'm guessing hope JP put me some nice stickers or something up in this thing, man. Yeah. Oh, JP. Y'all see the Neo hoe? DOWN4SOUND, man. We made it, man. I feel like I get anything from DOWN4SOUND. I made it, boy. Wish I could have got JP to sign these bad boys, but I guess I put it in too late. DOWN4SOUND, he gave me 3 cards, y'all. Oh man, I got the goddamn DOWN4SOUND. Life. Yes, sir. Got me a big boy DOWN4SOUND sticker. Team DOWN4SOUND, baby. I had one of these in the other box. Can't get it out, man, but you get it.